Tell me, do you often stop doing the things you're meant to do just because you cannot find the motivation you need to get things done? Well, if you find yourself in this case, we seem to have a big issue, since we cannot depend on motivation to get our projects done. In fact, most of the time we won't even feel motivated to the things we are meant to do. Well, in this video, I'm here to show you how to increase your motivation, and then everything should be easier. But always remember, you cannot depend on motivation to get things done. Tips and tricks on how to increase motivation. Number 1. Visualize yourself. A great way of getting self-motivated to do things we are meant to do is visualizing ourselves achieving the desired goal. For example, in my case, I really want to be a renowned self-development YouTube channel and blog. So next time when I feel lazy about doing something, I know that what must be done is visualizing myself achieving the desired goal, so that way I will feel motivated again. Number 2. Exercise daily or on a regular basis. Let's first start with a small piece of article which I found interesting and that you might like. The men in the trials who exercised 30 minutes a day lost an average of 8 pounds during 3 months, while those who exercised for a full hour every day lost an average of 6 pounds. The subjects who exercised more moderately also reported that they had more motivation and energy to exercise. So as you may have seen just now, exercise has been a proven way of increasing not only motivation but also self-esteem and self-confidence. Now, last advice on motivation. Advice number 3. Set small goals. Okay, so you must be able to commit to your goals, okay? But if you set small goals, then what will happen is that you will achieve them faster, making you feel motivated sooner on. For example, I barely have any followers on my YouTube channel, and if I want to reach 1 million, don't you think it would make much more sense to first set a goal of reaching 100,000? The same must be done with your own personal goals and commit to them. So that was it, guys. I hope you liked my video and see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe. And one last thing before you leave, which of these advices will you be applying first? Let me know down below in the comments, please.